Hey, Mark Nelson from MarkNelsonOnline.com, coming to you from my RV on the lake again. Today what I want to do is I want to talk to you about your journey to freedom. But first let me explain mine, why I'm doing this, because I get so many people are really asking me, how'd you get started in this? And my journey really came kind of in a whole different way. I'm a school teacher, but I first was in business first. I had a retail store, and at that time when the retail business, what happened, we were doing really well. My brothers and I had 3 of them, and then all of a sudden what happened was that a box store found our towns, so we closed the store, and I was kind of lost. So I bought another business, and when I was starting this business, I was really excited about it. I got a call from a friend, an acquaintance, and he really asked me if I wanted to take a look at what he's doing. See, and all I knew about this dude, I used to play basketball with him on Sunday nights, was that he had quit a job that he was going to make 6 figures in to start doing something else. So I listened to him. And to tell you the truth, I wasn't looking. And why I'm telling you this is because so many people, what you're talking to, aren't looking, or they say they aren't looking. But what I did, he sat down with me. My family's a financial product, and I bought in. I mean, 1, I needed the product, but 2, I just thought I can help people, because people were getting ripped off, and I knew I could help. So I started my journey then, and I went for it. And to tell you the truth, this was in 1996, I think it was. Man, I almost lost my family because I put blinders on. And I just went for it. And see, there's a challenge going on there, because I think what you really need to do is make sure you keep your family in place. And we are in place. I mean, we're living our dream life right now. And so, to tell you the truth, I got out of the industry. Was never going to do it again. And then I started hearing about attraction marketing and affiliate marketing. I reached out to somebody on Facebook, of all places, and he got back to me and told me about a little company he was doing called relationship marketing, which, if you aren't building relationships, then you're in a challenging place. So I started that business and did well, really well. And then life keeps throwing curveballs, right? And then what happened was, to tell you the truth, I had cancer. Got cancer. Ended up having major surgery. And of course, sometimes in businesses, when a leader's away, your business dries up, and that dried up. And I kind of hung on, tried to restart it, and then it was just, I lost flavor. And I swore never again. Never again. Well, from my cancer, I have neuropathy. So I've been looking at different products to use, and because I'm network marketing, I really favor working with a network marketer, a small business person that I can purchase something from and help them in their business. I mean, that's in my blood. So I tried a business and their products, and it didn't really like it. And then I tried another business and their products, and I kind of felt like they misled me. But I am so excited, because right now, I'm back in the game. I really am. I started doing a product, and I'm going to talk about a little bit, is I tried a thing called CBD oil, and to tell you the truth, CBD oil, I was nervous. I grew up in the 70s, and that, holy cow, I saw a lot of friends messed up, so I didn't know what this thing was like. But here's what it did. It started helping me. See, it helps with inflammation. And because of my neuropathy, it helped my neuropathy in my legs and feet. See, I don't have very good balance. So to tell you the truth, I was never going to start the business, but there's a way I could buy it wholesale, was to become an affiliate with the companies, which I did. That just made more sense. That I could save money buying the product. I was going to buy the product, and if it worked, I'd start sharing it. Well, doggone it, man. My daughter she's a chiropractor, just looked out and said, Dad, you are walking better than you have in the last 5 years. And that just comes from what I'm taking. So that's my journey. There's 2 things to this. Is 1, you never give up, because this is my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th company, and this is it. The company I'm not going to get, I'll give you a link to it below in the description. What you need to do is you need to go put your name and email in, and then you got to go watch the first video and see if it makes sense to you. But it's the purest CBD oil there is, purest in the market. So in the link below, I'll put it in the comments, put it in the description, and go take a look. See, it helps with neuropathy, people with diabetes are using it, all this stuff. So I'll put the link below, and you got to put your name and email in, and then go take a tour and see if it makes sense to you. So y'all take care. I will talk to you again tomorrow. If you haven't noticed, this is our RV on the lake, and we love living here. This was our dream, and we're fulfilling our dream because of what I'm doing now. See ya tomorrow. If you got any value from this, please share it with your friends. If you know of anybody I can help with what I'm doing, please share this. Y'all take care. Bye.